How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 64 Pontiac LeMans. It's a clean, all original panel car. It's had one very nice show quality repaint. It's original Cameo White Ivory. Super cool car. So all the grills, the headlight bezels are all the originals, excellent condition. Front bumper is original. It does have a little bit of patina to it, but it's real straight, real nice. Car's real flat, straight down the sides. All the panel fitment is excellent. Super nice car. Hard to find one this clean. It's had a lot of nice little upgrades. The taillight bezels, that's all been replaced. The rear bumper's been re-chromed. It's got all factory tinted glass in it. All original and excellent condition. It's got the dual side view mirrors. Now, the original motor has been replaced. It's got a early 70s 400 aluminum intake, Edelbrock 4-barrel carb. It's got power 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. All the suspension was gone through. Very nice car. Now, it is an AC car, missing the compressor and lines. Everything else seems to be there. It's got a 350 turbo trans, 10-bolt limited slip rear. See, all the jams are just gorgeous. Really like the dark blue interior in it. Dash is all original and excellent condition. It's got all new headliner, seat covers, door panels, all been replaced. It's got front and rear seat belt upgrade. It's got rear tilt steering. And the buckets with the center console. Shifters works correct with the 350 turbo trans. All inside the trunk is real nice. Original trunk floor. It's got the spare tire. All the interior is just gorgeous. I really like the dark blue interior in these cars. I personally know the gentleman that painted this. Did an excellent job. I mean, does a lot of show cars. Thing purrs like a kitten. I really like the koi wheels and stuff on. Nice setup. They're all brand new wheels, tires. You see the 4-wheel disc in it. Got nice duals on it. It's also got the ram air cast cast iron header on it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Gorgeous car right there. Have a great day, folks.